Hi guys, this is Tony Cantu at stassney in South Austin, Texas. My girlfriend's with me. There's a northbound freight coming in, and let's see what this guy's leading. Yep. Yeah, the gates should be getting ready to go down. Yeah, this one who was walking around. And yep, he's getting close enough to where the bells are gonna go off. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes, Union Pacific. Yeah, that one lets you go. Oh, by the way, that's the Northbound Union Pacific South train there. With 7526 on there, and plus the horn show. I know there's more activity coming in, but might be a little while to do things. But have a great Sunday evening, you guys. Bye bye.